Cooking isn't hard, but managing life with cooking is. Hi, my name is Fida Halima. Every Indian household we spoke to said the same thing. Daily cooking is simple, but everything about cooking isn't, which is chopping, stirring, adding ingredients, and keeping in mind the recipe. And that's exactly what Appliance is here to solve. And now you have two options, Appliance 1.0 and Appliance 2.0. So let's break it down. Which one fits your requirement, your lifestyle, and your home needs? Appliance 1.0 or 2.0? आज decide करते हैं. Both models take up the heavy part of the cooking, like chopping, stirring, temperature control, timing, and guide you easily through all the recipes, and you do not even have to supervise the gas. But wait, the kind of cooking experience you get on both is very different. Let's start off with speed and heat. The biggest differentiators between Appliance 1.0 and Appliance 2.0. Appliance 2.0 cooks up to 40% faster by reaching 160 degrees Celsius, which means real browning, real searing, and reaching those high temperatures for dishes like biryanis, tikkas, Chinese stir fry, giving that deep color and flavor. Appliance 1.0 cooks at a steady 120 degrees, which still can do everything 2.0 can, but slower. It is perfect for your everyday Indian and international meals. So if you're looking at versatility and quicker meals, Appliance 2.0 is the right fit for you. But if you're looking at reliable daily meals without thinking, 1.0 does that beautifully. Now let's talk about something that kept coming up. You want to eat healthier meals, but without thinking about it. So that's where the second biggest difference comes into play. 2.0 has built-in health variants, whether you're looking for high protein, low oil, and much more. So whatever your requirement is, you select the mode and it automatically fits the recipe just for you. You can also import recipes directly from YouTube and even make adjustments. And for a family and somebody wants a restaurant-style food and someone else just wants a comfort food, 2.0 is a perfect fit. 1.0 is simple. No recipe variants for 750 plus recipes. Just follow the simple instructions and let Appliance do the cooking. Both are designed for heavy Indian cooking, but the lids are a little different. 2.0 has a toughened glass lid and an extra layer of protection, great for high heat and for people who like to see what's happening while their food is cooking. But whereas 1.0 has a lightweight food-grade plastic lid, a lot of parents and older users prefer this as this is light in weight and very easy to handle. So again, it's not about worse or better. It's about what fits your requirements and your needs. Another difference that people talk about is visibility. Like literally. 2.0 has virtual flame assistance. The bottom lights up and indicates you clearly when it's chopping, stirring, and even when it's simmering. Think of it as looking at your stove's flame and knowing exactly how the heat is affecting the cooking. It's great for beginners. On the other hand, experts can change it and take control. 1.2 keeps things classic. No lights, no indicators. Minimal, simple, and clean. Before we go any further, let's clear one thing. Whether you choose Appliance 1.0 or Appliance 2.0, you get the full appliance experience. We regularly improve and drop new recipes so you never run out of new things to try. Both offer 750 plus recipes across 34 cuisines. So whether you are North Indian, South Indian, Chinese या फिर continental or Korean, सब कुछ मिलेगा. Both our models run on the new Kitchen OS 2, which is smoother, faster and more intuitive. So yes, you will always get the software updates fast. Plus, our on-call support team is the same regardless which appliance you choose. जो भी appliance हो, we are just one call away. So before we move forward, a quick PSA. Appliance is not a fully automatic dump and forget device. Cooking is personal and Appliance respects that. Adding ingredients as per the recipe instructions and of course, swad anusar according your signature style. It is designed to be your cooking companion to make your cooking life easier and make real food with zero fuss, with the least effort required and still staying in control of your cooking. And now, the most important question. Which one should you take? Because every home cooks differently, the right model really depends on your style. Some of you just need your dinner ready in time. आपको cooking, sauteing, chopping, इन सब की टेंशन बिल्कुल नहीं चाहिए. Your goal is consistency. Dal, sabzi, pasta, simple cooking. If that's you, Appliance 1.0 is the right fit for you. It does everything that Appliance 2.0 does, बस थोड़ा slowly. कुछ लोग हैं जो कुकिंग एंजॉय भी करते हैं और एक्सपेरिमेंट भी. कभी हाई प्रोटीन डिनर तो कभी लो ऑयल या फिर वीकेंड पे कोई नई यूट्यूब रेसिपी. For you, Appliance 2.0 is the best fit. It cooks faster, browns better, and has health variants. Hence, a better choice for you. And remember, there are a few things same on both the models. 750 plus recipes across 34 cuisines, the new Kitchen OS 2 on both the models, and the same on-call support team. Because we do not differentiate between our customers.